build it. Let me show you. For example, we have a massive library of pre-done templates that have made us literally millions of dollars over the years, and it's based on our proven strategies and layouts. Now again, if you were trying to do this yourself, it would take hours and hours of coding. You'd be pulling your hair out. Well, literally we've made it just that simple. You just look at one of our templates, click a button and make a couple of changes to suit your market, you're good to go. It could not get simpler. So for example, we have a ton of built-in lead pages, opt-in pages and squeeze pages, even two-step opt-ins, great social sharing built in. It is highly optimized, and again converts like crazy. I'll show you another one here. This is just a template. Again, click a button, two-step, you're good to go. People love this stuff. We've got sales pages. Again, my very popular style that everyone uses. Proven converter, has made millions of dollars for gurus, and this literally allows you to create guru style pages in seconds, and it's all drag and drop. You can make membership portals, webinar pages for sign-ups, replay pages, hey, no problem. You've got all built-in scarcity right in here. You can build high authority home pages and sites, testimonials, FAQ pages, coming soon bonus pages, download pages, JV pages, literally anything you like. And we're going to have 60 different templates covering every kind of need, including affiliate pages, review pages, you name it. But that's just kind of a showcase. Now let me show you the editor, the builder. So I'm going to now do something magic. I'm going to turn on the editor, and just like this, you have the live editor with all the drag and drop components you could ever want. So for example, here's my headline. I want to make a change to that. You know what, we're going to have 60, so I'll just come up here, change it. Literally, it's a live editor. You can open up the WP editor, make any changes you want. Say I wanted to bold it or drag in an image or do anything like that. Hey, no problem, done. You've got literally no coding. You just change the options as you see fit. Click, 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 you're done. But hey, this is just a showcase page. Let me show you a real page from scratch. So what you do is you just come in here, create the name for your page. I'm just going to call this demo page for fun. And you can see here, this is using the Profit Builder theme. Now this comes in two forms. This is beautiful. It's a plugin that works on any WordPress site, and it can work standalone with any existing site or theme you've got. And you can add to your site with all these high power converting systems and elements. You can enhance any site instantly with amazing marketing power. Or you can use our theme, which is a great authoritative theme, and it's designed specifically to work with Profit Builder and enhance Profit Builder, and adds a whole new level of power to everything you want to do. So just in this case, I'm turning off the header, the footer, I'm hiding it, making myself a blank page. We can also do image backgrounds, video backgrounds, whatever you want. This is just a demo, so I'm just going to rattle through it. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click publish so that I'm saving this page, and then I'm going to go to Profit Builder and turn on the actual builder. So now I've got a blank page. Nothing here, and I could start adding rows if I wanted to. If I was building from scratch, just whatever I want, I'll just build a layout and everything else. But I'm going to turn that off right now. I'm going to actually delete these because I'm just going to go the easy way. I'm going to now literally go load page, and then I'll grab one of our existing templates. Say for example I want to use my sales page, the one that everyone loves and has copied to death. Well, now you've got that power in your pocket. Just click load, and boom, you have, and I'll turn off the video before it starts. Again, you've got video elements, you've got over 60 elements that you can have, and again, it's all designed to be just click, click, simple. Want a button? No problem. What kind of button would you like? Custom text? Would you like a CSS3 button? Maybe we want to go, with a 3D button so we can make adjustments, change it to 100% width. Good to go. You got all those different styles that you could ever want, or pre-done ones. If you want a pre-done button, no problem. Or if you want to do your own, you can do that too. But maybe I want an add to cart, or maybe I want that in, let's say red. for whatever reason. Boom. Want it animated? No problem. You can have animated ones as well, but you need the white background for those because they're not transparent, but you get the idea. So whatever you want, if you could, like I say, if you can dream it, you can build it, but it makes life so much easier. And again, you've got icon elements, feature elements. You can move things around. If I wanted that down here, no problem. I'm going to move it down there, drag and drop. Do I want to duplicate it? No problem. Duplicate it because I like where it's positioned or not. Turn it off. Okay, no problem. So again, there we go. Delete it. No problem at all. Play around with it. Have some fun with it. That's the idea here. But you can get going with no problems whatsoever. It's all about having fun. You can delete, you can modify, drag and drop. Say for example, I didn't want this here. Let me actually remove some of these elements. Say I wanted to put an opt-in here, just for the sake of putting an opt-in. No problem. I'll come over here, go to advanced. There's my opt-in. Drag, drop, and there it is. Just pops up immediately. Just put in your form code, just copy and paste, and it will automatically populate all of the fields. You can customize this with extra custom fields, change the titles, change the text, whatever you want. It's boom, click, that simple. And anyone can use this. This is a beautiful thing. No coding or design experience needed. This is just like the ultimate Lego brick marketing site, marketing page builder. And like I say, you can build absolutely anything. So for example, if I wanted to change this page and go from a sales page, let me go over to an instant. Let me just see. I'll pick one at random here. Let's say I wanted to go to a opt-in page. Let me just see if I can find one in the list. So let's use Justin Brooks' high converter lead page. And this is one that I had spoken with Justin about to replicate. So we've got that as a template in here. And again, it has all the really powerful conversion elements. For example, if you click on the image, it tells you to sign up. Click on the button, it tells you to sign up, etc., etc. Lots of very cool authority branding and simple calls to action. Single opt-in, single field opt-in, no problem at all. And again, very, very simple. You just customize it, put in your code, you're good to go. Change the image. Again, just drag in, upload your new image. Maybe I'll just use an app as an example. So say for example, we're doing an app, no problem, and boom, download now, how to create an app in 30 days or what have you. So again, just whatever marketing layout you want, you can build it literally just in a few clicks. Drag, drop, and profit. And as you can see, tons and tons of options, tons and tons of layouts. And let's just do a quick one. This is a default WordPress install. You can see here, just refresh the page, working with the standard theme. And again, you can use this on any theme you like. All you have to do is with that, you just say, hey, Profit Builder templates, let's use the full width page. I can set it to use all the same options, image, video, backgrounds, whatever I want. In this case, I'm just going to go update this page, just set up a default one here. And as you can see right now, just go to Profit Builder, edit page, brings up the live editor, or you can do it from this funky little button that is right here in your editor. Just click that and it'll edit the page. So we can just now go ahead, build up a page from scratch for whatever I want to do. Say for example, I put in, let me just make a drop a heading in there, or I could say, let's just do this. This is a very cool thing you need to download now. Absolute masterful copywriting there, I know, but I can just grab this, I can change it to a white background. So I'm going to use white text, but I want to modify the row, so I can just use the element there, change the row background, I'll make that black. So now I've got that, and let me just now edit that, I'll make that centered. And I could just do, again, live editor, I can do whatever I want. Drop in a video, let me go to content, video, and boom, whatever I want there. If I want to add a little padding on the row, yeah, no problem. Do that straight away. whenever I see fit. Again, with the video, I can control all the elements, no control bars, autoplay, Force HD, minimal branding. We support MPEG-4, so direct URLs, embed code from Easy Video Suite or any of the other great systems out there, or just straight from YouTube, Vimeo, and many others. You just put in your URL, you're good to go. So again, but let's just load in a page. Let's load, and now here's the cool thing. You can also duplicate, copy and paste rows between pages. If you've got a really great system you like, you could even export the template that you're currently using or that you've saved as a template, then export it to a zip file, move it to another machine, import it, you're good to go. But let's just load a template. I've got a couple on here, so I'll load the Fire version, say for example, of my $1 million sales page, and boom, done. That's it. And this is, as I say, on a site that has WordPress 2014 right there. In fact, let's see if that new page is up just to prove it and show just how powerful it is. It's not, so, but you can see affiliate rockstars. Oh, this is a cool thing as well, which I'll show you real quick. You want to preview it, check it out. You check it out in mobile view, in iPad view, in full mobile view, so we're fully mobile responsive. Want to zoom out, see how it looks? Okay, zoom in, whatever you want to do. Toggle zoom, no problem. All right there for you. Show and hide control, so you can just preview it, or just boom, save it. Save as a template if you want to. But let's go ahead and preview that page. And boom, there we go, ready to go. All optimized, ready to rock, with all sorts of great elements. Again, just modify it, copy it, adapt it for your own needs, and again, integrates with pretty much every major system out there. We've just designed it to make this as easy as possible for you.